Today, guys, I have Crayola 16 broad line washable markers. Okay, so why do I buy the Crayola 16 broad line markers? It's just because this is how I like the markers, and this is the tip that I use is how I like in Crayola. So, I just want to say it's because why? Because I just want the total of the regular Crayola broadline markers. So there are 40 of them. And it's because that's why I haven't found the product. Like if they're on stock, like when I saw at Walmart. So maybe if I'm gonna look in at Amazon or maybe at Michael's or maybe eBay. Alright, so we're going to unbox this marker box, and then we're going to see all the colors, what's inside onto this box, and then we're going to find out, and then for my next time's video of the Crayola marker video, we're going to do swatching on a piece of paper, plus we're going to draw lines, thin and thick. And then we're going to do the calligraphy by using those Crayola markers. Because I think I tried calligraphy before, like when you're doing in different fonts. So we'll focus about that next time. Alright, so we're going to open the box. And let's see what the colors they have. Oh, look. So they have names on a marker. So here we have brown. Brown's first. And then next is yellow. And then we're going to, let's see. Looks like we have orange. So I think you can see it that way, because the marker cover, it will be facing to the left onto the screen. And next we have red. And then we have purple. And then blue. That's how I like. And two more colors. We have green, and we have black. Yeah, okay, so we have hot pink. That's kind of like in charge for that. And then we have gray. Next is we have teal, and then we have raspberry. Sandy tan is next. We have electric lime, blue lagoon, and tropical forest. Yeah, these are all the colors that they came into this box. The Crayola 16 broad line markers. Alright, now we're going to talk about the broad line markers. So here, this is the color, my favorite color. It's green. So as you can see, this marker tip is slightly a little thick. Now I open it, and you can see this is the marker tip. So basically, this can be easy for use, like if you can draw thin or thick. So we will focus about that, like what I said earlier. And then we have like for the colors. So here these are the assorted colors. So like assorted colors, that the colors that came out as a little special from this box, because this is how I just I want it, but not the 10 Crayola broadline markers from the box, because that's how I heard of it and I see it. And we just want to make sure that we have all the Crayola markers here. And then these are the markers how I like. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time.